You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now. But girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. I know that I made up my mind. You made it for me. You're something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Now I know that things were said and things were done so wrong, and in my head I still believe this is where I belong. But I gotta let you know now, and I gotta let you go now. So baby, what you saying? Don't stop the feeling. Don't stop the feeling. Don't stop the feeling.
So good morning guys and welcome back. So, nandito na tayo sa Tagaytay. Okay. So, idea lang kung pa tayo nandito ngayon. So, punta tayo ng attend ako ng team building. Hanggang Ben sa Alfonso Cavite. So, ayan. Yung motor natin. Okay. Okay. So, balikan ko yung mamaya pag nakahan ko na tayo sa venue natin. Garap mo na ako ng kainan dito. Siguro mga parisan-parisan. Wala akong makita eh. Parang sarado. Mga bukas na yung mga social na kainan. Like, ito. Mga yan. Diba? Ito. Mga yan ng bukas ata. Yung mga yan. Pero, tignan natin doon. Baka meron pang ibang kainan. So, alright. See you later. So, ito. Andito na nga tayo sa Tagaytay. And, nag-almusal muna ako dito sa 7-Eleven. Okay na. So, ito, real jam po. Tapos may gulay-gulay siya. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. So, this is only 150. So, sulit naman siya. Pagka, hindi naman ma-art. Yung mga kasama natin nandun pa sa Makati. Ako na tayo. Balikan ko na lang kayo ulit mamaya. Okay. Na pala guys, pagdating ng bandang Molino, umuulan. So, I have to take the cameras out. So, yung sa helmet ko, pinatay ko rin pati yung dun sa yung front, yung nakaharap sa ating camera. So, I have to both turn them off kasi umuulan. So, sorry. Hindi ko expected na umuulan pala dito. Pero, yeah. Ang call time kasi dun sa pupuntahan natin pala is 8 a.m. Pero nasa Tagaytay na tayo. Sabi ng Google Maps, mga 20 minutes na lang. Galing dito. So, after kumain, punta na rin tayo doon. So, yun lang guys. Pwede ako may pagandun ka. Okay? Kain muna ako.
I know that I made up my mind. You made it for me. You're something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no.
Yeah. So, what's up guys? So, welcome back. So, ito na nakarating na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. So, Abaganti, Manila pala yung pangalan ng place. So, ayan. Nature. Ayan. Okay. Ayan yung motor natin. So, mamaya, hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi team building to. So, medyo corporate event. And, corporate event siya and syempre, hindi natin pwedeng ipakita yung mga ginagawa namin during team building. So, lang guys. And, yeah. Balikan ko na lang siguro kayo after a few hours pag pauwi na kami. Hindi naman ako mag-overnight dito. Uwi rin ako. Alrighty. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Welcome back sa ating channel guys. And ito na nga. Kagagaling lang natin doon sa dinner sa team building. And pauwi na nga tayo guys. And sorry. Hindi ko mapopost yung mga ganap dun sa team building for the reason kasi na for company privacy, okay? However, and well, not only that, ang umulan kasi kanina sa Tagaytay, guys. Hindi ako pwede mag-video pag umuulan kasi 'di ba? Kailangan kong mawawalan tayo ng audio naman pagka nag-video tayo habang umuulan kasi masisira yung camera natin. So I don't have a choice but bumaba muna ng Tagaytay para makapag-resume ng recording natin. So I am very sorry guys kung wala akong ma-share about dun sa aming event kanina. Pero it was really fun actually. And also grabe, ngayon ko lang na-experience na magmotor sa gitna sa fog. Alam mo yun, mas malala pa pala sa ulan yung fog. And ngayon ko lang siya na-experience. So, ang dami kong first-hand experience today, guys. I also realize, guys, na we have to always celebrate our wins. Whether it's small or big, di ba? Pati yung mga mistakes natin, yung mga errors natin, we need to celebrate those kasi that will always remind us of who we are, where we came from and what we have become. So yun lang guys, pauwi na ako ngayon pero andito pa ako sa Cavite I think. So I guess dito ko na lang puputulin tong vlog na to guys. And I want to always remind everybody, or I want to request something from you guys na please comment down below mga lugar na pwede nating puntahan. Okay? Sa Tanay okay lang, although medyo sawa na ako sa Tanay. So any place na pwede nating puntahan for adventure touring weekends natin, okay? So as you know guys, I am very into adventure touring ever since nagkaroon ako ng motor. Dati pa yung first bike natin, and then alam niyo naman na-ibenta ko yon. So ngayon ulit tayo nagkamotor. Ito na nga yung ADV natin. So I really wanted to to explore more of the Philippines. So if you don't mind, please please give me or mag-suggest kayo ng mga places na pwede nating puntahan
Alright, within Luzon most likely kasi sa ngayon yung capacity natin because of work din is around Luzon lang din. So North Luzon, Southern Luzon maybe, mga Batangas, ganyan. Quezon, ayan. Yung kaya ng 1 weekend ride lang. So ayun lang guys. I highly ask for your participation. Just comment down below and then i-check natin yung place. Ayun lang guys, once again, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel or bago ka dito sa ating channel, once again, my name is Tito Binsi. I will be very happy to create more videos if you will support me. So please like, share, and comment below. And then also please subscribe. Most importantly, pinipilit nating habulin yung kahit 500 subscribers lang muna guys. Habulin natin. Search nyo lang din sa Facebook, Moto Binsi. Okay, so follow din kayo dun guys. Nag-upload din ako ng mga, mostly yung mga photos ko sa mga rides ko and whatnot. Sa Facebook ko siya ina-upload. So subscribe din kayo doon. Tapos kita-kits tayo, okay? So dito na puputulin to guys. And thank you for following me, for subscribing to our channels, and see you on the next vlog. Alrighty. So ayun lang guys. Bye bye.
Just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now it's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.